Artificial intelligence is advancing at a breathtaking pace, but are we merely breaking new ground, or are we on the verge of breaking trust? This week's AI News sheds light on this pressing question. First up, OpenAI is in the spotlight with a new critique, urging it to move beyond mere marketing. The Atlantic points out the need for deeper focus on safety and governance. This raises a critical question. How transparent should AI development be to ensure public trust? As OpenAI grapples with its image, another AI giant issues a stark warning. Anthropic's CEO warns of a future where AI might not just augment, but replace human jobs entirely. Within 2 years, we could see widespread unemployment, with potential impacts on democratic stability. As AI capabilities grow, how should society prepare for this shift? While some companies foresee challenges, others forge bold new alliances. Elon Musk's xAI partners with Telegram in a $300 million deal to integrate Grok, aiming to revolutionize messaging with real-time AI capabilities. However, this move could stir regulatory debates and reshape industry dynamics. Yet, competition remains fierce as OpenAI faces new threats. An early investor warns that OpenAI's market share is at risk from cheaper rivals unless it accelerates innovation or adjusts pricing strategies. In the fast-paced AI race, who will emerge as the leader? OpenAI is also pioneering a screenless AI interface, embedding capabilities into everyday devices. This could redefine how users interact with technology, blurring the lines between digital and real-world experiences. From China, DeepSeek's R1 model challenges US competitors by delivering high performance on a single GPU. This emphasizes the intensifying global competition in AI innovation. And there's Anthropic's latest model. It's showing intriguing behaviors, like reporting what it perceives immoral inputs. This sparks a conversation about the ethical boundaries of AI surveillance and behavior. Stay ahead in the AI revolution. Subscribe to useful AI hacks for daily AI insights into how these advancements are shaping tomorrow's world today. Don't miss a beat of AI technology's most exciting era. Be sure to tap the notification bell so you get notified when the next useful AI hacks update video launches tomorrow at 11 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. See you there.